Hello, welcome my Shazi Info. In this video, you will learn the basic knowledge of computer. So, when you turn on the computer or laptop, this type of screen will appear on your computer. So, the first thing you need to do is to refresh the computer. For refreshing the computer, you need to click the right click of the mouse. So when we click the right button of the mouse, the following option come on the screen. So we have to refresh computer so that our computer can work smoothly. So 3 to 4 times we have to refresh the computer. So this is the first thing you need to do. The second option you see, that is view. In this menu you will see that there are more options come under the view tab. So the first is large icon. When you click on large icons, you can see the whole screen is showing these icons like this. So we will again hit the right button of mouse, and now we will click it on medium icons. So now you can see our applications have been turned into medium size. So the other one is small icon. When we click on this, you can see that the icons have become smaller. So we will click again, and we will keep it as medium. So the next option is auto arrange icon. If you click on these icon, you can manage to click as auto. So that is the basic setting you need to do. And align icon to grid, if you click it, so now you can move it to here and there. But if you keep the setting align icons to grid, so you cannot move the object or application from here. So that is the main difference between them. And show desktop icon, if we click it, the whole desktop icon will disappear from the screen. So if we want to check again, we will click on show desktop icons, so these will show on the screen. So that is our basic of view menu. And the next one is sort by. Sort by mean you can keep them in sorting. Suppose if you want to keep them as name, when we click on name, the alphabet or name will automatically turn into a random. So that is the main difference sort by is used to. The next is size. If we keep all these icons in size, so we have to click on size, so the bigger size will come on the top and the small will down. So that is the main difference between name and size. If we click on item type, so it will convert if the systematical information of the applications are same, so that will be converted to the order like item type. So if you click on date modified, it will turn into a date modified. So this is my video. You can click on the other video to learn more about the computer. If you don't subscribe my channel, I request you to subscribe Shazi Info.